of our users ask us, how do I see schedules for all of my libraries, for all of my accounts? How do I see the posts that are going to go out? So this is how you do that. Go to your schedule for any library. I don't have any schedule here. So let's say I pick this one. I go to my schedules. So here you will be able to see the schedules of this library, but you want to see schedules of every library, right? All of your schedules, your entire social media strategy. So click on show for all libraries. If you click on that, you'll come to this your schedule page. Here you'll see schedules for every library. As you can see here, I have schedules for comparisons library, I have schedules from motivational stories library, I have schedules from recipes, etc. So you will see all of your schedules here. If you want to delete all of them, click on this. If you want to delete for a particular day, you can delete from here. You could look at your monthly schedules. I don't have any, but if I did, they would appear here. Go back. This is my weekly schedule. If I wanted to see my schedules for one account or multiple accounts, I would click here. So I don't have anything for my business account. Let's say my LinkedIn company. So I have this schedule for LinkedIn. Now, if you wanted to see schedules for one library, you could also schedule by library. And then you'll see schedules of only that library. So this page is where you can see all your schedules. Let's look at it again. How do you do that? You go to a library that has at least one schedule, go to the Your Schedule page, click on the filter option, and click on a show for all libraries. So you'll see all of your schedules here, and that's how it works. Now, the second question that we get frequently is, how do I see what's going to go out on my accounts? For that, we have a library calendar. So go to any library that has schedules, click on library calendar, and you will see your posts that are going to go out. What you can do is click on the filter and click on select all. Right now you're looking at your post for one library. Click on select all, apply, and you will see posts from all of your libraries. I have posted some of the libraries, so they will not appear here because since they are posted, it will not go out. So you can see what will go out on particular days. You can see this month as well as the next month. So we show you what is going to go out on your accounts for next 2 months. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.